Hey guys, this is Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this. Not this. I got these like really fast curly curls, and what I used and how I do it, because I literally do it so fast. Go check it out.
I haven't seen you in a while, you know I miss you, babe. When you hear this song, feel flattered, it's about your face and how I miss it.
Alright, so first of all, like, make sure your hair's dry, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going through my hair, making sure it's dry, and then you guys are going to part your hair. I actually did a small section, but I usually do bigger sections because, you know, at the end of the day it don't matter. So yeah, I just part my hair, and then I get a small piece, and then I use this curling iron thingy that someone left here. I think it's one of the cousins that I don't like. I think she left it here. Thank you, boo. It's really helpful. So yeah, you're just gonna curl your hair. Literally the pieces don't matter. I use my fingers to section them, but like, as how much hair you use, it don't matter. It actually looks better for the look we're going for right now to use smaller pieces and then bigger pieces. Throughout the video you're gonna see how I did that. Like right now, that's a big piece, and yeah, you're just gonna curl it around, little wand thingy, over and over again. Again, you can see this one's a bigger piece, and I'm just holding it. Whenever I do my hair, I'm like really messy. Yeah, many people are like, small sections only, blah blah blah. No, for this look I just do big sections, small sections, and I just curl them. If it's more hair, do for like 15 seconds, and if it's a small piece, do like 5 seconds. As you can see there, I do it really fast. Like, if I'm late to school, it literally only takes me 7 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so it really doesn't matter, because you're about to see how I just hella destroy my little curls by like going through my hair. It turns out cute though, just wait. So easy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment down below. Literally any suggestions of what videos y'all want to see. Oh, and don't forget to go check out my other channel with Kimberly. It'll be down in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much. Peace.